Hey everybody, for the Marketing Minute this week, I wanted to talk about one of the CCD's least sexy but maybe most useful resources, our enterprise budgets. So an enterprise budget is generally just a way to project how much money you think you're going to make and what you think your costs are going to be, and then compare those to see if you're profitable. And so they're available on our website for both large scale on a per acre and small scale for things like 100 row feet or 100 plants or whatever, depending on the crop. A couple of the ways that I like to use them, one is for that thing that I just said, which is let's figure out if we have a chance at profitability. They are designed to be editable. In other words, you need to put your own numbers in for them to be truly worthwhile, but we do give you a starting point. The other way that I think is even more beginner-friendly way to use it is to take a look at all the different costs associated with them and make sure that you have accounted for those within your operation. In other words, it's a shopping list of costs so you don't get snuck up on later in the season.